Hi guys, this is Team Visai. Today we are here to present on our latest ML project, which is classification of flowers using logistic regression. Here we have been provided with a data set. We have prepared a model which is trained on that data set and tested to give some accurate result. Let us see the data set which we have been provided with. This is the dataset which we have been provided with. It contains the following attributes: ID, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and species. Uh, we can identify the species as target variable as it is gonna being classified here. By seeing this data, we can be able to identify that it is a classification problem. So we have to classify whether it is iris setosa or iris versicolor based on these attributes. And these attributes are independent attributes, independent variables, and the species attribute is dependent on these independent variables. And we don't have any use with ID, so we can remove that data from the column, from the given Excel sheet column. So let's move on the coding part. See, we have imported the necessary libraries first, and we have read the data through pandas data equal to pt dot read underscore csv of iris dot csv. Uh, Data dot head displays top five values of the data which we have been provided with, and data dot tail represents or gives the last five values. And we, as mentioned earlier, we don't have any particular use with id column in the excel sheet data, so we have dropped that id column and updated the data. After updating the data, we have described it. We can't see the id column here, right? So the id column is removed, and by describing the data we have count. We have 150 fields in the given Excel sheet. So the count is 150, and we have mean, minimum, and the quartiles. And data.info represents the data type and the column names, a null value count also. And data.isNull.sum returns if any null values are present. We have zero null values in every attribute. So the data is filtered, and we have plotted the histograms for every attribute so that we can identify or the data into continuous or discrete. And we have found the correlation using data.correlation, data.cor of. We have took the values of the data, and the attributes like sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width are taken into X variable, and the target variable, which is dependent, the species variable, is taken into the Y variable. And from sklearn.model selection, we have imported train test split for training data and testing data. We have given the data into the respective variables We have imported the logistic regression. We have fitted the values x train and y train into the model. And after training the model, we need to test our model. So we have made a confusion matrix to evaluate the performance of our model. Here is the classification report. And after the testing, we have got the accuracy as 96.66 something. The data provided is of 150 fields only. So it is small data comparatively, and we have got more accuracy in this case. But if we have been provided with a large data set, it would have been different. And thank you.